Nikon has found itself back in the spotlight, not because of an official announcement, but because of a growing wave of leaks that refuse to go away. At the center of it all is a name that keeps appearing across forums, analyst discussions, and rumor reports: the Nikon Zf II. While Nikon has said nothing publicly about such a camera, the consistency of the speculation has turned it into one of the most talked about unreleased models in the mirrorless world. And what makes it even more intriguing is not just the possibility of its existence, but the direction these leaks suggest Nikon might be taking. To understand why the idea of a Nikon Zf II carries so much weight, you have to look at what came before it. The original Nikon Zf, launched in late 2023, stood out in a market obsessed with specs and hybrid performance. Instead of trying to compete directly in the arms race of resolution and video features, Nikon leaned into something different: character. The Zf combined a full-frame modern sensor with a retro-inspired design that felt like a return to tactile photography. Physical dials, classic styling, and a simplified control experience made it feel closer to traditional film cameras, while still delivering modern digital performance underneath. That balance struck a chord with photographers who were tired of overly complex, menu-heavy systems. Because of that success, it was only a matter of time before speculation about a successor began. By 2025, the rumors had evolved from casual discussion into structured leaks. Multiple sources began pointing toward a second-generation model, commonly referred to as the Nikon Zf II. While details vary, the overall narrative is surprisingly consistent. Nikon is not abandoning the retro concept, but instead refining it with more power, faster performance, and smarter imaging technology. One of the strongest and most repeated rumors involves the sensor. The Nikon Zf II is widely expected to feature a 24.5 megapixel full-frame partially stacked CMOS sensor. This may not sound revolutionary at first glance, but the implications are significant. A partially stacked design allows the sensor to read data much faster than traditional sensors. That translates into reduced rolling shutter in video, improved autofocus responsiveness, and better continuous shooting performance. In real-world use, it would make the camera feel more immediate, especially when capturing fast-moving subjects or shooting handheld video. Alongside the sensor, leaks also point toward a new generation image processor. While Nikon has not confirmed specifics, it is expected to be part of the latest X-Speed lineup with upgraded processing power and AI integration. This would help the camera handle complex autofocus calculations, improve noise reduction at high ISO levels, and deliver more consistent color reproduction. It would also allow for faster overall system performance, which is becoming increasingly important as modern cameras handle more computational tasks internally. Video capability is another area where speculation around the Nikon Zf II becomes especially interesting. Some leaks suggest that Nikon may be preparing to push the camera further into hybrid territory, with advanced recording options such as 4K at high frame rates and possibly 6K oversampled recording. There is also talk of internal 10-bit recording and raw video support, building on Nikon's recent developments in other mirrorless models. If even part of this proves accurate, the Zf II would no longer be just a photography-first camera with video added on top. It would become a serious tool for creators working across both disciplines. That said, not all of these video claims carry equal credibility. While internal RAW support feels plausible based on Nikon's recent direction, more extreme specifications raise questions about heat management and body constraints. The Zf's compact, retro-inspired design prioritizes form and usability, which makes it difficult to imagine extremely high-end video features being fully implemented without compromise. This is why some of the more ambitious leaks remain uncertain rather than expected. Autofocus, however, is one area where expectations are more grounded. The Nikon Zf II is widely rumored to feature a significantly improved AI-driven autofocus system. This would expand subject detection beyond basic face and eye tracking to include animals, birds, vehicles, and more complex motion scenarios. The goal is not just accuracy, but consistency, maintaining focus even in unpredictable real-world environments. If accurate, this would bring the Zf II much closer to Nikon's higher-end performance standards, making it far more versatile than its predecessor. Burst shooting performance is also expected to improve noticeably. Some leaks suggest speeds of up to 20 frames per second in RAW and even higher in JPEG mode. When combined with faster sensor readout and improved autofocus, this would make the camera capable of handling more demanding situations like sports, wildlife, and fast-paced street photography. This is a significant step up from the original Zf, which was more limited in high-speed continuous shooting performance. Despite all these internal upgrades, one of the most consistent points across every rumor source is that Nikon plans to preserve the exterior design language. The Nikon Zf II is expected to retain the same retro-inspired aesthetic that defined the original model. That means the classic top plate dials, the film era styling cues, and the overall vintage silhouette are likely to remain unchanged. This makes sense because the design is not just cosmetic, it is central to the identity of the Zf series. However, subtle improvements are still expected. Reports suggest that Nikon may refine ergonomics slightly, possibly introducing a deeper grip for better handling and improved button placement for more intuitive control. These changes would enhance usability without compromising the camera's nostalgic feel. The electronic viewfinder is another area likely to see a major upgrade. Leaks point toward a high-resolution OLED EVF, potentially around 5.76 million dots. This would significantly improve clarity and reduce eye strain during long shooting sessions. The rear display, on the other hand, is expected to remain a 3.2-inch tilting touchscreen, maintaining the clean and minimal design approach. In the end, that may be the real story here. The Nikon Zf II is not just about specs or leaks, it is about whether Nikon can continue balancing nostalgia with modern performance in a way that feels intentional rather than compromised. If the core rumors prove accurate, this camera may not just be a successor. It may be a statement about what Nikon believes photography should feel like in the next generation.